Alright. Hello, everyone. We are here with our cast reveal for Survivor Sounds of Disney Battle of the Bitches. We are joined today by. Oh, let me put that off. Let me do that. Okay, I'm just hearing myself in my ear. Okay. But anyway, so what we'll do here is we will reveal our cast one by one. I'm joined by my co-host Marvin Burgos and Julia Rowe, two of our bitches this season. Fortunately, Michael can be with us and our mods as well. We have Elijah, Elijah, Marita, and Alex, who cannot join us, but we are going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go Encanto, which is me, Moana, which is Marvin, Julia, which is Princess the Frog, and then I will be doing Michael's Fulham with Mulan. All right. First up, we have from the waiting room, we have the main host over at Survivor Domination Island. Please welcome John Dennis. Hello, John. Feel free to say whatever you want.
Hello, I'm John Dennis. I'm 35. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. Good to be here. Let's go Team J.
That's right. All right. Next up, we have, you may know this person from a recent game of mine. I may have had a rivalry with them, but I asked them to be my tribe because why not? We got Mr. Bradley Allen.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Bradley. Feel free to say whatever you like.
Hi, and I am so excited for this season of Survivor, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen, and I'm so grateful to be here. My name...
Good.
Go ahead.
No, you go ahead. Go whatever you want. I was just going to go ahead, but you can keep going.
My name's Bradley. I am from Huntsville, Alabama, and I am 31 years old, and I like to have fun.
All right. Next up, we have someone who's a little bit newer to the org community. May have seen him around a lot recently. We have Bobby Hunt. I think that's everyone who's here for me. Hello, Bobby. Feel free to come on and talk and say whatever you would like.
I'm Bobby. Just happy to play this game with everyone, just get to know everyone, and just see how it goes. I live in North Carolina, 34, and just looking forward to playing.
All right. And we do have my two lovely ladies who are not here. We have Miss Corey Richardson, and we also have Miss Taylor Blankenship, who are not here at the moment. So with that, we will move on to Moana with Marvin.
Okay, so I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3 of my 5 people here. So I'll go ahead and start with someone who if I'm not mistaken, I'm really bad. That has, every season we have a returning. And this just so happens to be the returnee that we are having back this season. And you might know her, so let me bring in Gabby.
We do have 2 this season, actually.
Is she in here? There she is. Gabby, you know the drill.
Yeah. Hey, everyone. I'm Gabby. First of all, I'm so glad I'm playing this scene because I am obsessed with Disney. As you can see by my cute little Lilo and Stitch shirt I'm wearing. Anyway, excited to play and kill it.
Awesome. Next up, we have someone that I guess people have seen around a lot, I will say. And I will go ahead and let them in right now. And that is Antonio. Hey, Antonia, you can go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. I'm Antonio, 32 years of flaming homosexuality. I'm excited to be here, looking forward to playing with everyone.
Alrighty. Next up, we have one of my really good friends and someone that just so happened to be my partner in Synergy. Let's welcome in Galen Johnson. Galen, I know you said you couldn't talk, whatever, but he's connecting the audio. Galen, go ahead and introduce yourself real quick.
As I'm going to work. Okay. Hi, my name's Galen Johnson. I work random hours because my job has me do it. I'm 23 years old. I turn 24 later this month. I'm doing this while I'm trying to lock my door. I'm currently in Oxford, Mississippi, where I'm a student who studies theater. I'm obsessed with K-pop to the point that I buy albums every month when I probably shouldn't be. And I already hear enough about it from Marvin, so that's my life.
Alrighty, and as I stated, I have two other people, and my two other individuals are Tristan Hollingshead and Rachel McKenna. And I'll go ahead and hand this off to Julia with the Princess and the Frog Tribe.
Thank you. I have 4 people representing Team Julia and Team Bayou tonight. First off, I have most recent game I played, my amazing, wonderful duo of the season, Fred Davino.
Yo, hello. I'm Fred. I'm 20 years old. Jesus, I'm playing it. My bad. I'm 20 years old. And I'm just excited to play. So, hello everyone. And yeah.
Thank you, Frederick. We're so excited to have you. Next up for Team Julia is someone from my usual side of the community. I'm so glad he decided to play another Facebook game. We have the lovely, amazing Mike Vaccaro. Mike, you can say anything you would like if you have anything to say.
Hello. Hi. If you don't know me, my name's Mike. If you do know me, I'm sorry. I don't even know if my audio is working right now. I'm kind of in a weird spot. I'm at my dad's new apartment right now. My aunt passed away, so I stayed here for the week to go up to Maine and everything. But I'm here to represent Team Julia, of course. You might know me because we played Big Brother Disney Animal Kingdom together. Shout outs to that. We were duo of the season in Server season 3, and I was just most recently her host favorite in an org I do not want to speak of right now. So we're gonna have fun. I'm here to have fun.
So next up, we have the other of our 2 returnees to Radical Reality. So without further ado, welcome Miles. Miles, anything you would like to say? Anything like that? We'll take that as a no. Beautiful. And rounding out Team Julia, who is here, we have the lovely, amazing, incredible, always hilarious Haley Please bring Haley in. Love her so much. Haley and I played a Big Brother game on Discord. I know, terrifying, but knew I had to have her for my team, wherever she is.
She's on screen.
I can't see her, but thank you. Haley, anything you have to say, would like to say, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Haley. My birthday's next week. I think that's all I could say. Let's go.
Yes, birthday month twins.
And last, and most certainly not least, Team Julia. We have the love of my life, Team Bride always, Miss Ingrid Santiago, who could not be here tonight, but so happy to have her on Team Julia. Thank you. I'm gonna throw it back to Jay. Michael sadly could not be here tonight, so Jay will be talking through Michael's team, Team Mulan.
Yes, we will. We do have 2 people from Michael's tribe here tonight. Unfortunately, the rest could not make it. So first, we have someone who's very well known around the community. You may have seen him around. You know, he is the big ball of fun and everything. Always cracking jokes and always here to have a good time. Mr. Michael McFly.
Hey, what up?
Feel free to say whatever you'd like, Michael.
Well, my name is Michael. I'm now recently 23 years old, and I am so fucking excited to be playing this. Yeah!
Let's see. Go ahead.
My God, I see some familiar faces here. But, yeah, nice to see you all, and let's have a fun time here.
All right, this guy has been in the community for a long time. You may know him. Hopefully he won't get acid tripped out of this game. Mr. Frank Pacino.
Hello, I am Frank, 30 years old. My birthday's not it's not as cool. But nice to meet you all.
All right, and our next few people which could not be here tonight, we do have another familiar face around the community, plays a lot of games. We have Miss Mandy Logan, and we have Miss Ariel Hidbrink, and the host of BB and TP, Miss Paige Alexandria, playing. So that is everyone for us today. You guys, as you know already in your tribe chats, we will be adding everyone into the main chat in just a few minutes here after we get settled in and everything here. Little things we keep you guys updated. So we will be doing a little twist this season that will start at we will be dropping press pennies throughout this season, but we will not have a shop that opens up until merge. You do that, if you drop a penny, you see one, you must circle it and send it to your confessional to claim it. First person to get it will get it, no one else. And you will see them wherever, so keep your eyes out everywhere for those. And yeah, that's how that's gonna work. And like I said, you'll be able to purchase some advantages and stuff come merge. And if you vote out with them, you must will you must will anything that you have as far as those pennies go, if you are voted out with them or bequeath. All right, so unfortunately we do not have everyone here, but here's everyone who could be here, and just take a look at everyone here. We're excited to have you guys play. We'll be dropping some rules in the main chat and everything. Obviously, you guys know to be respectful and everything. We told you who to add to your one-on-ones in your tribe chats respectively. And we ask when we make the main chat, please everyone change your nickname to pronouns, everyone, and everything. Please make sure, we know some people may have history. We do not ask anyone to be disrespectful. If there is anything we see happen, we will be grounds for conversations and everything, and subject to removal if there is further problems. We ask everyone, like I said, be respectful and everything. And yeah. That's all we have here. So we're excited to get going. And Marvin, you have to drop their first immunity challenge. I told you about it. Do you want me?
Yeah, can you do it, please?
Yeah.
I've been traveling all day, sorry.
No, you're good. Marvin just got back on a flight. So for your first immunity challenge, you guys will be building a poster of a tour for your respective tribes going on a musical tour through like a Broadway theater. You must include in that your tribe's host and like only your main host, and your each one of you must be on the post somewhere. You have to a list of 10 cities. I'll drop everything too. So you have a list of 10 cities that you'll be touring to. It can be worldwide. Like I said, in 5U, it has to be like a little like a poster like you would see, like, oh, advertising the musical, going on tour, like an advertisement almost. And that'll be your first immunity challenge. We'll have judges, and one of you will lose, one tribe will lose and go to tribal council on Sunday night. We'll make that due at 6 p.m. Does that work for people, or I can push to 7? Guys, give me enough time.
It's just
Of
one.
when?
6 p.m. on Sunday. I only need one person that can submit to confessional. Just let me know who's submitting and everything.
So it's just one poster, correct?
Yeah, it's one poster, but like you have to tour and everything and make it like go out on it, like make sure it's detailed. Okay, and that's it. All right, that's it for this.